Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here, and I'm in the computer room. It's March 17th, the year of perfect vision, also known as 2020, and we're the 7 Bay Area counties just below us are mandatory stay home unless you're going to the doctor, the grocery store, the pharmacy, or the gas station, or the doctor's office, right? No unnecessary travel. Stay home. That, like I said, that's only 2 counties away. That's only 2 counties away. And this being a resort community, and I know for a fact that the population here goes up by a factor of 5. For everyone who lives here during the winter, there are 6 of us during the summer. I call them summer imported idiots. What can I say? I live here. You just got a summer house here. And when there's a natural disaster, you come running up here, clogging up Deadbud and Lakeside with your diseases and taking up my bed space? No. Go back to the Bay Area and bunker down there. And why am I so concerned? Well, let's see. I'm 63 years old. I'm a heart patient. That's 5-way bypass, 4 stents, 1 mammary artery coiled, big hunk of the right lung excised during the open heart surgery because, well, that would have killed me if they hadn't had a heart attack and found it. Yeah. Heart attack saved my life. Miracle number 1. Anyway, I have been sick since December. I had pneumonia then. Emergency said, well, I got pneumonia. Give me a script for a Z-Pack, some prednisone, and some wannabe Sudafed. I mean, really wannabe. Way wannabe. I mean, drug company gets hold of precursors, and they remanufacture it so that it does absolutely nothing. It's perfectly safe. Problem with perfectly safe pharmaceuticals is they do absolutely nothing. All chemicals have risks. The more useful the chemical, the more potential for risks, and therefore the need for careful handling. Anyway, that's a whole nother rant there. The one thing to do for this right now is stay home. Unless you're dying, stay home. Unless you gotta go get food because there's nothing left in the house to eat. I mean, when the kids are fighting over fish food, then it's time to go to the store. And, toilet paper. Don't hold your breath on the toilet paper and paper towels. Okay? But, you know, for simple sanitation, there is this thing called a washcloth. And soap and water. Rinse it out real good and run it through the washing machine. Before they started making paper towels. And, what was it? Someone's medical papers. That's what the toilet paper was medical papers. Guaranteed no splinters. Yeah. Avoid crowds. If you gotta ride the bus, take a towel and go from under the eyes all the way around back, tie it, and then the other corner, tie it back here. Gloves. Don't touch nothing with your bare hands. Nothing. That little eBay purchase that came from China. Yeah. That innocuous little gray plastic envelope with a bump in the middle. They shipped it like this. Well, you know, they don't need to pad the envelope for the virus and bacteria to stick to it. Yeah, you don't want to touch them with your bare hands, you know. Gloves. Cut it open, dump out the contents, get rid of the, you know. Change gloves. Now you can touch the merchandise with the new gloves. Eventually, you're going to have to actually touch something with your hands. Immediately sterilize them. I mean, as hot as it'll come out of the tap and the most aggressive soap you've got. And then do the cold rinse to slam your pores shut. And think about it. Everything in the store you go and buy, someone who's been coughing their germs was just there in the aisle. You might be bringing it home. Wash your cans and jars. Get rid of the boxes and write what the stuff is on the plastic bag inside. You remember how to make hamburger helper. And if you don't remember how to make hamburger helper, write the instructions on the bag too. And expect utilities disruptions. When the people who make the electricity, transport the electricity, connect the phones and the internet and all that, and they get sick and they're not working because they're all wishing they was feeling as sick as a dog, because that'd be a great improvement. Yeah. Think about it. It's getting scary. 1918, 1919, they didn't have the infrastructure addiction that we do. Yeah, well, think about it real hard. This is not going to be a fun year. Poppy's gonna go now. Stay healthy. Stay away from people. Anyone comes to your door, spray them with a Lysol. Hey, the mail. That package from UPS. Lysol. May not do anything other than make Lysol rich. They need it too, because their people are sick. Anyway, good night from California. Try and stay alive.